Today I have a new laser level from Dovoh. I did one of these before from them actually about 3 or 4 years ago, and they did offer this one recently. I'll go ahead and show you everything that comes with this, and I'll do a quick demonstrations. And you'll have to excuse my mess. I definitely need to clean my trailer. Definitely looks like I've been working out of it. So inside the nice box we do have our user manual. You also get these green laser glasses. They're pretty similar to like my laser engraver. Then we do have our unit itself, and I'll show you how this one works here in just a moment. You also do get mounting, where you can mount this a lot of different ways. We have a charger. This one does charge with just a Type-C. You do get a couple batteries. And then we have our target plane, which also does have a magnet built in. And this one does have a remote control. I also did get one of these receiver devices for these level sites. This will allow you to get level measurements for like 300 feet or something like that. Oh, that turned it on. The device does have rubber all around. Also, it's going to let you know that we are not leveled. It's going to beep. And I don't know if it's showing up on the camera yet. We do have laser levels, pretty much 3D all the way around us. And this one does have a large and a smaller thread to allow different types of mounts. All right, so these are pretty easy to work. We'll go ahead and hit the unlock switch right here on the side. That's going to turn it on. You're going to see that it will level out. And we do have a straight line all the way across that way, all the way along that way. Now, another thing that you can do is you can change the angle with this. Let's say you're trying to do something simple, like put some paintings on a wall that goes up a stairway or something like that. And you can angle it where you can get a line diagonally. Now, of course, this one will beep if it's not leveled out. But you can still use it for that. So we have a projection that's on the floor, a projection up the wall. We do have a line all the way back there, and then we do have a line right here along with the ceiling. And then you can use this remote to do the vertical and horizontal, and you can turn these on and off. So we just turned off that vertical, we can turn it back on. Same thing with the horizontal, we can turn that on and off. Now I also have the receiver. It works with this. It is a separate tool, and this will allow you to get that laser line from a distance. So we can turn that on, and pretty much if it sees the laser, you're gonna get a line. Also, it's gonna let you know if you need to raise it up or down based on where that laser is. All right, I'll try to get you a better view of this one. Now you're gonna see that it's gonna see the laser. It's gonna let you know go down or up. And of course, if you mount this on a tripod or something a little bit more stable, this will be a little easier than handheld. You can also turn that sound off, and you can turn it up as well. So if it annoys you, just turn it off. But where this really helps is, what if we're outside, it's really bright, you can't see that line anywhere, but you could take this, and this will still be able to see that laser. But I can't see it. And we're not very far from it either. We're only a few feet away, but if it's bright outside, you can't see it. Use this though, and you can still get your levels. I'll do another demonstration out on my property just because I do have a lot of slope, and this will actually be a good demonstration to do levels with that slope. Now, like I mentioned, I have tried one of their older units a couple of years ago. I still own it. It's still in a box. I just don't really ever use it. Now, I do have more of a need now as I'm going to be building things out on my new property. All right, so let's say I was looking to build some type of foundation, or maybe I want a retaining wall over here, whatever it might be. This is definitely not going to be accurate, but I want to kind of give you an idea of how you can use this and how the portable receiver works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right here, and I'll show what it looks like when we try to use the receiver over here to kind of line it up. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn this on. And all right, so we got lasers. I'm not sure if we'll actually be able to see it anywhere. All right, so we got the laser. I don't know if the camera is actually picking that up at all. So let's say we want to level this out all the way over here. We could take this, and we can see how far up we have to go just to make it level with where it's at right now. And yeah, there would be a lot more to it than that, but. And this is supposed to work for like over 300 feet. And you can go pretty far with it. I'm not going to have, of course, the further I go, I'm going to have to go taller and taller because I'm on a slope. Hey, we got an eagle. Oh, that's awesome. Ah, I didn't get a good picture. That's awesome. We got eagles out on the property. Ah, man, I don't think I got the video. I think he moved too quick for it. But that's pretty cool. I thought I saw an eagle out here a week ago. So seeing it again, that's pretty cool to see. I think I mentioned earlier in the video they wanted to test durability. So let's test it. Oh, it's still rolling. Let's go get it. Oh, that went further than I expected. The only thing it did was pop the door on the battery. Yeah, we're still good. I see some scuffs and stuff and some dirt mostly. But it will definitely hold up to being thrown around, tossed around, dropped, thrown down the hill, rolling down the hill. And normally I wouldn't be doing any of that. So it should handle any kind of drops and stuff you throw at it, or you throw it. Anyway, I wanted to do another quick demo, just showing this receiver, kind of show what it will do, like elevation wise and stuff. There are a lot of things that you could do with this that I don't know how. I'm not a contractor or any of that sort. I just think it's cool. It will help me do some little jobs here and there, and it is still pretty cool for the average person. Oh, anyway, this is the Dovoh laser level. I think it works really well. Great company. It's been around for a long time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.